Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and another edition of the Fatafat Food Safety video. This is Reema from Food Safety Works. Today, we will learn about consumer awareness and customer handling in a food establishment. Consumer rights in food safety. Right to safe food. Consumers have the right to receive food that is safe from harmful pathogens and contaminants, which also involves understanding where their food comes from and the safety protocols in place. Right to information. Transparency about ingredients, processing methods, and expiration dates is essential. Accurate labeling enables consumers to make informed decisions about their food. Effective risk communication is vital for raising consumer awareness and encouraging engagement in food safety practices. Regulatory bodies, such as the FSSAI, utilize multiple communication channels to share information about food safety practices, emerging risks, and recommended precautions with the public. Complaint handling. A clear complaint management system that includes easy submission, prompt resolution, and a focus on customer service can enhance trust and satisfaction. Investigating complaints thoroughly and taking appropriate corrective actions, both immediate and long-term, is essential for preventing recurrence and improving product quality. Using root cause analysis to implement preventive measures, such as process improvements and employee training, can further reduce the risk of similar problems in the future. Establishing a complaint management system. Form a diverse complaint management team. Each member should be knowledgeable about the products and skilled in problem solving and customer service to ensure complaints are handled promptly. Establish clear channels for customers to submit complaints. When a complaint comes in, document all relevant details. This includes the customer's contact info, the nature of the complaint, and any evidence. Comprehensive review of complaints. It's vital to conduct thorough investigations for each complaint received. When a customer raises an issue, gather all necessary information such as the product name, batch number, expiration date, and relevant packaging details. Additionally, document the complaint in detail, including the nature of the problem, any adverse effects, and the date it occurred. Following the initial data collection, a comprehensive investigation, including root cause analysis (RCA), should be conducted. This involves reviewing the entire process and quality control procedures while involving relevant departments like production and customer service. Based on the findings, corrective and preventive actions (CAPA) should be developed and implemented to address the identified issues and prevent recurrence. The investigation should aim to identify not only the immediate cause of the defect but also the root cause that allowed it to occur. Understanding why existing assurance processes failed is key. Root cause analysis (RCA) is a critical method used in Indian food establishments to uncover and resolve fundamental issues that affect food safety, quality, and the efficiency of operations. Collect data. Gather relevant data, such as incident details, affected areas, and involved personnel, through sources like customer feedback and hygiene audits. Identify possible causes. Use tools like the fishbone diagram or 5 whys to explore contributing factors, such as poor food storage or inadequate hygiene practices. Determine root cause. Pinpoint the primary cause, which may involve insufficient staff training or improper food handling. Implement corrective actions. Address the root cause by updating procedures, providing training, and enhancing hygiene checks. Monitor and review. Regularly evaluate corrective measures through audits and feedback to prevent recurrence. CAPA. Corrective action and preventive action. It is a systematic approach crucial for enhancing food safety and quality within food establishments. Corrective action focuses on identifying and fixing a specific problem. Preventive action aims to remove the root cause to avoid the recurrence of the issue. The steps in CAPA. Develop corrective action. Use the findings to create immediate solutions to address the problem. Implement preventive action. After resolving the issue, design and put in place measures to prevent it from recurring. This may include training staff on storage protocols, setting up regular equipment maintenance, and improving inventory management. Document and communicate, record each step, including the problem, its root cause, and corrective and preventive actions. In India, thorough documentation is essential to show compliance with FSSAI standards during audits. Promoting consumer awareness and a strong complaint management system are vital for food safety and quality. By upholding consumer rights and implementing root cause analysis (RCA) and corrective and preventive actions (CAPA), food establishments can resolve issues effectively, prevent recurrence, and build trust through a commitment to safety and transparency. Please do like and share this with your friends if you find this useful. And don't forget to visit our website www.foodsafetyworks.com to see how we can help you. Thank you.